It's a beautiful hot day here today. I'd love to go 4x4ing, but the Samurai is just a little bit too stock. I mean, obviously I could do it, but anyway, it makes me want to move along with the Samurai. So today I'm going to take a break from the airboat and just start a relatively small project with the Samurai. For this project, the plan is to get rid of the stock wheels and tires and suspension and fit these 29-inch Goodyear Duratracks. Now, to fit the 29-inch tires, apparently you need to have about a 2-inch lift. So this is the Old Man EMU 2-inch lift. Apparently it's actually anywhere from 1.5 to 2 inches. So I'll do some measurements before and after, and we'll see how it goes. This is the old and the new. So that's a medium weight spring, new shock, bushings, and the U-bolts. That's the leaf mocked in place. The kit didn't come with any lube for the urethane bushings, so I think I'm going to pause here. I'm going to go buy some silicone lube just to prevent squeaking. The leaves actually have some lube built into them, but on the shackles here there won't be any lube, so I'm going to go get some. front came out pretty easy, basically the same as the rear. I just sprayed some undercoating, just some aerosol can rubberized undercoating. So just waiting for that to dry a little bit, and I'll put the new front suspension in. The new springs and shocks are installed. When I lower it and get the weight on it, I'll do the final tightening. The storm's coming in. We gotta call it quits for today. So where I'm at, basically the suspension's in. I gotta put one more shock on that side, put the sway bar back on, and then we're done. So it wouldn't take too much longer, but the storm's coming. Here comes the hail. Okay, the day is the next. It's a beautiful day today. So let's get back to work. I'll get the rest of this lift kit buttoned up. We'll get the wheels on it, and if there's time today, I might even take it out to the mountains a little bit. We'll see how it goes. The kit came with a new steering stabilizer, so I'm going to change that out right now as well. Now this Suzuki is a really easy vehicle to work on, but one funny thing that they do often is, something like this will have two different size bolts or nuts. So this is a 14 and that's a 17, which is kind of annoying to have to change sizes on the same part, but that's kind of common on this thing, but not too bad. Lift kit install is done. That's the 2-inch Old Man EMU. So let's see exactly how much it raised it. With the stock springs, that line was 30 inches. Let's see where we are now. So the only thing that's changed is the lift kit. And we're, so 1 3/4 inch lift on the front. And down the rear, that line was 30.5. Now it's 32.5. So basically, almost an exact 2 inches on the rear. So then the total is 1 3/4 inch on the front and 2 inches on the rear. And of course, the whole point of doing this was to put the bigger tires on. So I'll put those on now, and we'll see what our lift is after the larger diameter tires. The lift kit is completely done, and it's time to put new wheels and tires on. The tires are Goodyear Wranglers. They're 225/75/16. The reason I'm using these tires is because I got a set of 6 in essentially brand new condition for free. I was actually planning on going with these tires anyway. My original plan was to go with a bit bigger tire, but these are about 29 inches in diameter, and I think we'll do fine for this. And like I said, they're free, and they're basically new condition. New wheels and tires are on. I think they look pretty good. This definitely looks more like what a Samurai should. A lot better than the stock wheels and tires. They fit nice. I haven't driven it yet. We'll do that soon. Let's see how much difference it makes with these new tires on for the total height. So 30 inches was totally stock with the OME 2-inch lift kit and these 29-inch tires. It brings us to 33.5. So exactly 3.5 inches in the front. And the rear stock was 30.5, and now we're at just 34 1/8 probably. So that's 3.5 inches again. So I'm pretty happy with that. We'll see how it rides. Obviously it's not a really hardcore off-roader, but it should be more capable now. We'll get it on some dirt and see how it does. But for all intents and purposes, this part of the project is done. And thanks for watching.